Guys, so as you guys can see from that introduction, I am reacting to I'm So Pretty by Nature. um I know the song came out like a few weeks ago, but I do have a Nature album next to me. One second. Their debut album, and I reacted to them on my channel when they first debuted. I'll insert that up there if you want to see it. And I just thought it would be really cool if I were to react to this latest comeback with you guys. So let's just get straight into this video. Ooh.
오늘은 어떤 옷을 입을까? 청순한 원피스가 좋겠지. 여기에 어울리는 향수까지 온몸에 퍼져나가 발끝까지. 내가 좀 예뻐 두 눈을 뗄 수 없지. 아찔한 립스틱 모두가 원하는 키스. 날 향해 불어오는 바람이 두 눈을 따끔하게 하잖아. 잠깐만 봐달라고 부탁한 게 그렇게 나쁜 짓은 아니잖아. 내가 좀 예뻐 두 눈을 뗄 수 없지. 아찔한 립스틱 모두가 원하는 키스. No 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 no. 어머나 우리를 살라살라 흔들었대. 다 모르는 척 여우라네. 여우 중에 여우 속닥거리는 시기 질투 무서워 난. 내가 좀 예뻐 두 눈을 뗄 수 없지. 아찔한 립스틱 모두가 원하는 키스. 내가 좀 예뻐 두 눈을 뗄 수 없지. 아찔한 립스틱 모두가 원하는 키스. 가벼운 것도 그냥 좀 어지러웠던 거야. 우연히 곁에 그가 있었고 매력에 넘치게도 잡아주잖아. 고마워 가볍게 나간 말 한마디. 말만 말고서 커피 한 잔 사달래. 그냥 가볍게 커피만 마신 사이인데 내가 그렇게 나쁜 여우인 거니. 진짜로 뺏어봐 그땐 더 큰일 날걸. No 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 no. 어머나 우리를 살라살라 흔들었대. 다 모르는 척 여우라네. 여우 중에 여우 속닥거리는 시기 질투 무서워 난. 내가 좀 예뻐 두 눈을 뗄 수 없지. 아찔한 립스틱 모두가 원하는 키스. 내가 좀 예뻐 두 눈을 뗄 수 없지. 아찔한 립스틱 모두가 원하는 키스. Calm down baby 그냥 웃어준 것뿐이야. If you tease me 뺏을 거야 널 love. 뺏을 거야 널 love. 간단하게 지켜낼 거야. For real. 어머나 우리를 살라살라 흔들었대. 다 모르는 척 여우라네. 여우 중에 여우 속닥거리는 시기 질투 무서워 난. 내가 좀 예뻐 두 눈을 뗄 수 없지. 아찔한 립스틱 모두가 원하는 키스. 내가 좀 예뻐 두 눈을 뗄 수 없지. 아찔한 립스틱 모두가 원하는 키스. 내가 좀 예뻐 두 눈을 뗄 수 없지. 아찔한 립스틱 모두가 원하는 키스. 내가 좀 예뻐 두 눈을 뗄 수 없지. 아찔한 립스틱 모두가 원하는 키스. 항상 조심해 난 멈추지 말라.
I'm 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 wait, my laptop is behind me. We're gonna okay. If you saw me react to their first debut single album, I thought it was okay. Like I thought it was cute. This is like another level. Like this is so much growth from them. Like so much has changed, but they're keeping that essence that they did for their debut. But I love this comeback. I really think this elevated them to like another level. It shows how much that they've grown as a group for sure, because their first was kind of it was okay, it was cute, but this is like they're coming into their own and they're finding like their voice and their sound in the industry, which I find really cool. I love every single outfit in this video. I did see that furry moment. I saw your tails. The tails did not go unrecognized, I promise. But they were so good. Like, this was such an amazing comeback, honestly. Like, I expect groups to grow, but like the level of this video I was not expecting. This gate, I'm about to, I don't know if this is gonna be controversial, but I'm putting this at like a twice level. Like, this video is definitely like twice level. Like, choreography, visuals, vocals in this video were just so good. It gave me like fancy vibes from Twice, but slightly more youthful, not that much, trust me, but like I love this. The girl who dyed her hair pink, because in the original they all had like black hair except the one girl who is currently like the short bob still. But who is the girl who dyed her hair pink? Because I really want to know who she is. And then the girl who held center for, I believe, the bridge, I'll probably like insert her next to me or something. Her, who is she? These This was such a good comeback. Like, I am honestly so proud. Probably most definitely 100% going to be part of my K-pop top 200 songs of the year. And I don't know what else to say besides this is such a good comeback. If you guys like the video as well, I'm going to link their MV down below. If you like this reaction video and you want to check out more from me, I'll link my reactions up here for you guys. And if you guys like this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys all in the next one.